AIQoD360 is a Gen AI-powered super app which is designed to transform sales and marketing efforts with an end-to-end solution for content generation tailored to your industry and target audience. Our platform creates engaging content that resonates with their taste and engagement styles. It is also streamlined campaign management and a lead tracking feature which allows you to manage operations seamlessly, saving time and cost. I will walk you through the features of content creation. AIQoD360 provides email, blogs, WhatsApp, and video content creation. Let's start with email and blog content generation. So for that, it is pretty simple. Step 1 is to select the category. Step 2 is to select the subcategory. Step 3 is to select the product to be promoted. And the system is smart enough to fetch the unique selling point in the description automatically with its GenAI capability. Add the post topic. Once it's added, select the tone you would want this post to be generated. Well, let's try with a humble tone, and the industry to be targeted is manufacturing. We can select multiple channels like email, WhatsApp, blog, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and others. I will be generating email, WhatsApp, and blogs. Click on Proceed button, and then one by one, system will be generating the email, WhatsApp, and blog. Now, if I select on Ready, automatically system will be setting the backend and will be generating a GenAI forward tailored email which will be addressing the topic along with the taste of the right target audience. So if you see, the content is short, crisp, to the point, and it also has added a little bit of creativity in it. When you hit on Proceed button, the next content will be WhatsApp. Once you hit on Ready, automatically system will be generating the WhatsApp content as well. It has used the emoticons to also make the text visually appealing, and the short and crispness of the text give the users and obviously the viewers a chance to read without making it boring or lengthy. You can even select the length, and you can also select the tone. You can change it to multiple tones, and accordingly system will keep on using its GenAI powered capabilities to regenerate the content. Once all of the content will be managed here in content creation in the My Task section, you can see all of the content you have created.